Lesson number 4. The movements. Instructions. There are 3 kinds of movements. Fatha, which is always above a letter. Kasra, which is always below a letter. And Dhamma, which is always above a letter. Just move the word with these symbols. Note, neither prolong the letter which has Fatha, Kasra, or Dhamma, nor read it with a jerk.
Hamza zabar a. Hamza zir I. Hamza pesh U. Ha zabar ha. Ha zir hi. Ha pesh hu.
Read the green letters thick. Read all the other colored letters in thin. Gunna, the red marked letter.
Ayn zabar a. Ayn zir I. Ayn pesh U. Ha zabar ha. Ha zir hi. Ha pesh hu. Ghayn zabar gha. Ghayn zir ghi. Ghayn pesh ghu. Kha zabar kha. Kha zir khi. Kha pesh khu. Qaf zabar qa. Qaf zir qi. Qaf pesh qu. Kaf zabar ka. Kaf zir ki. Kaf pesh ku. Jim zabar ja. Jim zir ji. Jim pesh ju. Shin zabar sha. Shin zir shi. Shin pesh shu. Ya zabar ya. Ya zir yi. Ya pesh yu. Dad zabar da. Dad zir di.
To see the full video, click on the suggested video link below.